fix a Snapchat camera problem in 2021. Others I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. To do this, when you open your Snapchat, when you have this problem, then you can see this window. You can see these instructions in your home in the screen. So what you have to do to fix this is you have to go to your app home page, and then you have to long hold the Snapchat app, and then you can see in the top three option, and you can see the app info in the middle. You have to click on the app info, and then you come to this page, and here you can see the in the permissions tab app permission. You have to click on this, and then here in the denied tab you can see the camera. You have to click on the camera and then allow it and go back, and then in the microphone you have to also allow the Snapchat to access to microphone, and then allow it, and then here you can see the camera and microphone is allowed. When you again go back to the Snapchat, then here you can see it will the camera is working. So that's basically that how you can fix a Snapchat camera problem. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works.